Hello everyone, today let's talk about rubber capsule. This is seal made of Edpm rubber and we also have many sizes and many material types. You can through the size to find this rubber capsule. Look at this. This rubber capsule is SC80208R. You can through the size to find this seal. Look this size is SC3536R. This seal have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water. And this size, we have many sizes and applicable to different auto model. Look at this. This is a SC30423R. You can through the size to find this seal. And if you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries and we also can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.